Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix Windows 11 update error 0x80070005. For instance, when I am trying to update my Windows 11, as you can see on the screen, I am getting error code with the details. There were some problems installing updates, but we will try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And here error code is 0x80070005. To fix this issue, you need to download a freeware tool that is known as Windows Update Blocker. I will put this one link in this video description. You can follow that link and you need to download this one software. This is portable app. That means you don't need to install it on your PC. After scrolling down, click on this one download button and then click on this one direct download link. This will download this one Windows Update Blocker on your Windows PC. Just open it. Just download it and then open it. Open this one folder. After that, right click on this one zip file and select here extract all option. Then click on this one extract button. This will extract zip file in a folder. Now open this one folder and for Windows 11 select this one WUB underscore x64. Right click on it and then choose here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click yes to run this one application. Here select this one enable updates. After that click on this one apply now button. This will fix the Windows 11 updates issue. Now without restarting your PC, again try to update your Windows 11 and you should not see this one error code 0x80070005. That's all about this video.